fairly rare truck. There wasn't a ton of these made. It's a Mack CL350. What's left of one. So 60% still there. Front axle's out of it. Big V8. Well, that's probably the Mack engine. Mack made their own big 500 horsepower V8s. Apparently they're like $30,000 to rebuild. They're good when they're working, but when they go sour, they're expensive. I don't think I've ever seen a CL350 up close. This would be the first one. Still sits pretty high in the air even with the tires off it. Have a look inside. Door doesn't open. That's our Mack.